am now at the farm. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I have something special for you today because I am now at the farm, and it's a special farm because I visited this farm last year probably like twice, maybe 3 times, I don't know, so many times, and they just opened a few days ago and it's Friday, no people here, and this is my most favorite farm because they have some nice photo spots. I already have some pictures from last year, but they have some new installations and they moved, so they added something. So I'm just here to check it out, what's new here, what disappeared, you know. And also they have animals, and I love animals, so I'm so excited. You can also pick some flowers for some higher fee, so you can have some nice decoration at home. But today we are here just for general admission, which I'll tell you at the end of this video. More details I will tell you at the end of this video. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look what's new and take some pictures as always, and let's have fun! This farm is my favorite and soon you'll see why. Very nice and cool place, I love it here. That's why I was here like 3 times last year, and fall here is amazing. By the way, this farm is huge, really huge. So many spots you can see. So this is the first photo spot. So we took some pictures and we are moving to another photo spot. This is how it looks if I want some pictures, you know. Photographer on the way. This is probably my favorite photo spot. I have pictures from last year and that's so cool. So there was the other spot, I remember that spot from last year. But what's new is the next one, so I'm gonna show you. And now we're gonna see the cows and animals. So the most of the time we definitely spend near animals, and I love animals, so they are so cute. So this is very good for children, even for adults like me, you know, so I love it, they are so cute. This is how I found this place, Sunflower Trail. I was looking for some sunflower field and that's how I found this beautiful place. The sunflower field is so huge. This is another photo spot. And this is fun for children. Probably not just for children. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. We went through the whole farm, we took some pictures, we pet some animals here, and it was so amazing. Maybe even better than the last year, and I think I'm gonna come back in fall also, as always, because it's really magical here. So the general admission, just without picking flowers, is about 10.33, I think. And if you want to pick some flowers, I think it's about $25, something like this. And you are not time limited, you do not have to do reservation here. So I think it's pretty cool, so you can just stop by here and, you know, enjoy it and have fun. The name of this farm is Laura's Farm Stand. I'll put address right here. It's close to Barrie, so like, you know, Simcoe County. You should probably stop by here definitely. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I love it here so much. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe. If you didn't do that yet, you should do it right now before the video ends. So the last shot of this video will be the store shot. So I'm gonna show you the store and then see you next time.